Hi. Today I want to share one very important message for all the parents through this genuine story of a daily based girl who is 9 years old. She is full of energy, she used to laugh, she used to play with her friends, and her favorite part is to open her tiffin during the lunchtime, which used to have, instead of home cooked food, she used to have chips, biscuits, packed juices. The options which are very quick, convenient, and very modern these days. Over a period of time, that girl started gaining weight. She may not able to do very small activities, for example climbing stairs. She feel breathless and rest other. She tried to participate in one of the tournaments. There she got to know that she has been diagnosed with early signs of obesity, diabetes and high cholesterol. Her mother got break down into tears when she got to know about her situation. She told that I was just doing out of love, that I thought whatever she want I should give her, but I never thought that I'm just spoiling her future. It's not just Ritika's story. It's a story of thousands of children in India. With fast food, sugary juices, over screen time, lack of activity, we are creating that generation which may face heart diseases, diabetes, and rest other severe problems at that age where they were supposed to fulfill their dreams. According to Indian Journal of Endocrinology, 1 out of 10 school children are found as overweight or obese. Children diabetes cases are getting faster these days. Earlier we can see diabetic kind of cases in 40 to 50 years old people, but now it is showing up even in 10 to 15-year-old kids also, which is a part of major concern. As a parents and adults, we should understand that a packet of chips can be replaced by fruits and nuts. Excessive screen time can be swapped with outdoor activities. Mother's love is not giving them junk food, but to cook a nutritious food for them. A father's love not in a gadget, but to teach them doing cycling, outdoor activities, and learning new things. So if we don't change today, the gift we are giving to our children are a life full of sufferings, diseases, hospitals. And I think being a parent, we never want that. We never want that our illness or our weak genes should carry forward to our next generation. But if we take action now, by teaching them healthy habits, eating natural food, doing movement every day, a part of their life, we can give them a greatest inheritance. A life full of strength, possibilities, and a good health. Because without health, there is no dream which can survive. And now being a mother, I'm more concerned about my kids' health and future. Are you? If you agree with my point, type agree in the comment section. And I'll get your message that my message is clear to you all. Thank you so much for listening. And please take care of yourself and your family.